What's up, Jip?
What's up?
Long time no see.
Yeah, I decided to pop in. Haven't been here for a while. I wanted to come see the new toys.
He's been on vacation.
Hope you have need detox time for sure.
All right, guys, what's up? So I've been spending my whole freaking afternoon cleaning, running errands, paying bills, but I might not look like it, but I literally had that Saturn trunk to hood filled. I mean, filled with junk. We're good. I don't have any more, fun parts to put in anything. So today we're gonna do some repairs and we're gonna go to a car meet. Hopefully everything works out. So S13, haven't touched it since the drift event. Just found out I have a power steering leak issue that I have to address in order to bring this car to the car meet because I want to bring this really bad. You can see right there, that hose is freaking wet. I'm gonna pull this fitting off and hopefully, I can't tell from the outside, but hopefully it's just like a sandwich style fitting where the hose actually goes into the fitting and then the fitting clamps it in, and I hope it's just not one piece. I guess we'll find out. So let's make a mess. The line is off and luckily it is a wedge style fitting. As you can see, this end is tapered and threaded. Here's what the hose goes on, and it basically clamps the hose to this fitting, converting it to like a line. So slip this into the fitting and hopefully just clamp it on. I think we're all set. That actually went pretty smoothly. That's a really nice part about having like a simplified clean engine bay. Just like little stuff like that goes a lot smoother, but should be all set. This shouldn't leak. Hopefully this one doesn't go on me because it doesn't have that metal outside shield.
My guy out here getting his shit right. You heard?
That's what I'm saying. You gotta look pretty. This thing feels even different. So my rear tires are all like belting, but I think we'll make it.
Let's show the viewers what they're looking like. Y'all see it? Oh, you're getting me wet.
My bad.
I was just trying to show.
Woo. She always cleans up so nice. Love it. Got Drew inspired out here. So you're gonna take 240 out with us?
Unfortunately. Hopefully. She runs good. I'm just like very anxious to put the new ECU in, and hopefully she's gonna hit way harder.
Damn, you putting that work in.
Don't tell everybody the secret too. Don't show them what I'm using.
You have to wet sand your car, dude.
So bad.
I
know, we need to clear coat my front end more
than
than
anything. This looks like 80 grit.
Yeah.
Well, I finally did it. I put my front bumper on. Oh, this thing is low. What do you guys think? This ride height is like pretty functional. I never have an issue. It's when you put the front bumper on that makes it so difficult. I mean, look at this. All right, Drew, you're gonna go pick up
Erstog, Tucker, meet up with Jip, and then we're gonna meet up with you. So see you in like an hour.
Good luck. Come on, you look fantastic.
Let's go.
So my tires are a little wire showing. Should be good.
A little what?
Nothing. I like your hair. Look how dirty. Look at the pollen on my dash. It is disgusting.
Oh my god.
Breathe that in. There's actually a lot of cool cars here. I'm like, actually still, my car is squealing.
Are you gonna do that?
My belt's squealing. Oh man. Alright, we're here. Look who shows up. That was good timing.
Yeah. I just started like scraping on like nothing. It sounded like.
She hitting?
No.
This isn't the fish I do in this. It's a shrunken car.
Bro, am I tripping?
I see a wild Bobby G.
God damn. What's going on?
Oh my god. This shit is ice. Thank you. It's so good looking, dude. Thank you. So good, right?
It's so freaking
Bobby
good.
killed it. Bobby G.
So good.
Hey, you did amazing. Thank you. That looks so fucking good, dude. How are you gonna trim this? I don't know.
Tuckers are.
Bless you.
You'll keep thinking that.
Far from good, good for far.
Are you that dude in white?
I am.
Dude, this thing's beautiful. This is Techno Violet, right?
Yes.
Such a good color.
It's still dirty with like overspray from the painting. It's okay.
Oh shit. What is Japan?
Before I sweet chin music.
He's talking fucking sweet.
Of course, Drew's got to try to provoke something because he can't win alone.
What's the website for the
Get him.
license? What is it?
Roll the clip.
Give him
Blew
the
his
bow.
ass last time.
Drew, give him the bow.
You want something like?
See, you better
want
pull your
something
pants
Smoke all my shit, Bobby. Taking my earrings out.
Yeah, clear special earrings. Yeah. Pull out your fake chain. I'm surprised your neck's not green yet.
Go ahead. Good shot. Go ahead.
Kids.
Chuck, thank you. That's a W for DrewTube.
Oh, Surf Lynch a lot now.
Look at Tucker.
Go get it, Tucker. Go get him.
Call him a bulldog, alright?
What are we doing? Who got side bets? Who got side bets?
Put your belly on him.
Oh, the 3-piece with the sauce on the side. Benny Boo!
Well, Jinder.
Hey,
What's up, buddy?
what's going on?
Whoa, what's happening?
Drew wanted me to pull it over here so we could take a picture.
You know what's really funny?
What?
Your hats could be here if you weren't so god dang lazy.
You need to keep the bumper. He needs to keep the bumper on that thing. Everyone comment, tell him to always keep the bumper on. Never take it off.
Get some food, Bobby.
Yeah, I'm hangry.
Bobby G,
So,
your car looks amazing.
thank you. I appreciate it.
Make sure you take a lot of photos before the first drift event.
Yeah, I'm gonna ruin it.
Good night, stage.
Dude, I'm so ready. I'm like,
Are you getting underglow?
oh, actually, I'm thinking about strobe lights.
Okay. So I keep mentioning Night Stage, guys. So Night Stage is like a drift event that we hold here in the Northeast. Lock City guys do it, and they usually do it twice a season, 3 times a season.
It's pretty huge.
It's it's like a afternoon till dark drift event. I know a lot of places like OSW does a lot, but here we don't really have that. Right. So when we do have it, it's a big deal. Everyone gets underglow, gets some strobe lights. It gets fancy, it gets fun, and it's a really cool ass time. So, have you picked a color yet, or are you just gonna go with the multicolor?
I'm thinking about just like regular white.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice and clean.
Nice and clean. Yeah.
Booby, what color underglow are you going with?
I don't know. My skirts are too low. I don't even know if you'll be able to see underglow.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
I don't know. I'll get multicolor.
Light disperses.
No, I think I want to do underglow in the interior. I think that would look pretty hot.
Underglow the whole.
Or
entire.
like strobing headlights and taillights and stuff.
True.
Raise your car, Benny.
Have a good time. Bye, Booby.
Don't do it. You're
Bye,
gonna
Jimmy.
fall
Have a good night, guys.
Oh, no, that's what keeps me going.
That never gets old. I hope you guys can see me because I'm literally vlogging outside my house with a phone flashlight. So it is absolutely boost weather right now. That was one of the funnest drive homes I've had in a long time. This car is unreal. Driving this car is amazing. I love this car so much. Thing feels so fast, but okay. Today was just more of a vloggy thing, of course. Didn't get too much stuff done. We're still waiting on parts for not only the Lexus, but the E36. But I can't wait to have the E36 fully tuned on the road. And I'm going to be letting you guys know what the plan is on the Lexus very, very soon. But it's late. I'm going to call it a night. Tonight was fun. Hope you guys liked today's video. And you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And I will see you guys probably tomorrow.
I wanted to show you what I could